Hello everybody, welcome to Adam Explorer, a channel where we make Arabic fun and easy to learn. Let's begin our journey.
Lesson 3.1 Isim Nakirah General Nouns. Isim Nakirah is known as general nouns that end with double stroke, shakal tanwin. Let's recap about shakal in Lesson 2.1. Let's recap the names.
Fathah, Kasrah, Dhammah, Sukun, Shaddah.
Let's observe single and double strokes. Let's observe the names.
Fathah, A, Kasrah, I, Dhammah, U, Fathatain, An, Kasratain, In, Dhammatain, Un.
Let's learn to pronounce the shakal.
Fathatain,
Pronounced as
An, Kasratain,
pronounced as
In, Dhammatain,
pronounced as
Un.
Examples for Isim Nakirah. Ism that ends with double stroke, shakal tanwin.
Kuratun, a ball. Burtuqalun, an orange. Samakun, a fish.
You have just learned lesson 1 of 7. Isim Nakirah, which is a general nouns that end with double stroke, shakal tanwin.
Fathatain, An, Kasratain, In, Dhammatain, Un.
Keep on practicing. Stay tuned for upcoming lesson 3.2.
Do support us by subscribe, like, follow, and share.